Today's recipe is called Korola Aloo Bhaja or bitter gourd potato fry. It can be served along with rice in the main course of meal. Please watch the video till the end, subscribe, like and hit the bell icon for more videos. To know about how to grow vegetables organically in your garden, then please check out my gardening channel, Cheap Gardening. I will share the link in the description box. Let's quickly view the ingredients used. Let's start preparing the ingredients. I have taken bitter gourd 3 pieces, about 300 grams from my kitchen garden. Cut the gourds into long pieces. Generally, this recipe is done with uche, a kind of bitter gourd. In the absence of it, we use Korola or Karela. I have diced bitter gourd 2½ cups. I have taken gold potatoes 2 pieces, 300 grams. Matching the shape of the bitter gourd slices, I will cut potato into long pieces. Peeling off the skin is optional. I have diced potato 2 cups. To have a crispy fry, don't wash the vegetables after cutting them. Wash them before. To absorb moisture from the vegetables, rub the vegetables with tissue papers or a clean kitchen towel nicely. Otherwise, we can leave the veggies open to dry for some time. However, potato will become brown due to oxidation. The veggies are now dry. Keep them aside. To fry the bitter gourd, heat mustard oil 5 tablespoons in a pan till it fumes. Otherwise, the curry will smell of raw mustard oil. The oil is now hot. Lower the flame to low. Add nigella seeds 1 teaspoon. In its absence, use cumin. Saute for few seconds. Add diced bitter gourd, turmeric powder ½ teaspoon and salt ½ teaspoon. Fry in medium to high heat for 5 to 6 minutes till light brown. Stir frequently. As you can see, the gourd has got nice light brown color. It means it's nearly fried. Take off the pan and keep it aside. There is some oil remaining, so add mustard oil 2 tablespoons and heat it till it fumes. Now add the diced potato, salt ½ teaspoon and turmeric powder ½ teaspoon. Fry in medium to high heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Add sunflower oil 4 tablespoons. Please do not add raw mustard oil. If necessary, preheat and then add. Add green chilies 2, split into 2. Fry in medium to high heat for 5 to 6 minutes till light brown. Stir from time to time. They have started to become brown. This means it's nearly done. At this stage, add fried bitter gourd and fry all ingredients together for another 5 to 6 minutes in medium to high heat till golden brown. Bitter gourd and potato have different cooking times, so we fried them separately at first. They are all nice golden brown. It looks done. Cut vegetables to check. Yes, they are done. They are cutting very easily. Taste it. Add anything that is required. Take off the pan and keep it aside. I will serve it hot with hot steamed rice. It serves 3 to 4 people. If you like my video, then please press the subscription, bell and like buttons. Please visit my other channel and do the same. See you in the next video. Bye.